Hi Kai Gala, this is Chris Jumunoy, and we are here at the Self-Care Aesthetic and Spa here in Santiago, Agusan del Norte. And I'm super excited for a facial and carbon laser treatment. By the way, Self-Care Aesthetic and Spa is located at second floor of Santiago Terminal Complex.
Are you looking for a nearby and affordable beauty service? Search no more because Self-Care Aesthetic and Spa, located at second floor, Santiago Terminal Complex, is your ultimate destination for beauty, relaxation, and confidence.
Hi everyone, I'm with Ma'am.
Jeanette Cariano.
And before we start, Ma'am, I have a few questions, Ma'am. So, unsay benefits sa facial?
So, ang benefits of facial is daghan kaayo. It can reduce your acne, mga whiteheads, blackheads, because ang facial is deep cleansing siya. Then, mo gamit ni diamond peel. Taas siya nga process, like 30 minutes. So, daghan kayo process. So, makita rin niyo sa video niya kung saan ang process.
So, additional question, Ma'am. Pwede ba magpa-facial if nag-rejuve?
Pwede na kaayo. Mas better. Like, di ba pag mag-rejuve ka, mag-peeling ka. So, pag mag-kuan ka ng diamond peel is i-fill up niya. Kuhaan niya itong mga peeling. So, okay rin kayo mag-facial.
Okay. Thank you, Ma'am.
For only 499 pesos, guys. Grabe. First time ko magpa-deep facial treatment and sobrang worth it ng experience. From start to finish, ramdam ko talaga yung alaga. Hindi tinipid sa proseso, hindi minadali, linis, exfoliation, steam, vacuum, mask, kompleto talaga. And ang pinaka nagustuhan ko, after the session, my skin felt lighter, smoother, at glowing from within. Lahat ng clogged pores and dead skin natanggal. Perfecto lalo na kung lagi kang exposed sa araw, pollution, or makeup. Ang daming benefits. Deep cleansing, remove blackheads and whiteheads, hydrates and tightens skin, helps prevent acne, and gives you that instant fresh and radiant look. Sobrang sulit talaga kasi hindi ka nila tinipid, premium ang treatment pero budget friendly. So kung gusto mong magpa-facial na hindi basta-basta lang, try mo na rin. Kasi sa halagang 499 pesos, mas gaganda ka na, marirelax ka pa. After ko magpa-deep facial, sinundan ko agad ng carbon laser treatment. First time ko siyang itry, and honestly, medyo kinakabahan ako nung una kaya nagpalagay din ako ng numbing cream. And naghintay lang ako ng ilang minutes and nag-snack na rin. And then, nilagyan muna ng carbon cream yung face ko. Then, ginamitan ng laser para linisin at i-rejuvenate yung skin. Walang sakit, promise, kiliti lang every time dumadaan yung laser. Right after the session, nakita ko agad yung difference. Mas even yung skin tone ko, nawala yung dullness at ang smooth sa pakiramdam. Parang instant fresh look.